think humans are naturally faulty. Naturally we're afraid, we're doubtful, we're fearful, we're compulsive, impulsive, angry. And I think our nature is essentially what we have to overcome. Because we're so smart, we've created this crazy system, this crazy society where we have all these things we have to do and all these, nuances and complexities. So, because of that, it becomes more tricky, Or now it's like, it's not about eat, shit, sleep, produce, reproduce, but now it becomes like control your impulses, control your emotions, manage your finances, you know what I mean? Build healthy relationships, take care of your health. Like, it becomes so complicated. Because we're so smart, we use our own intelligence to sabotage ourselves, Other animals, like I said, their nature, it's, I've got to do this. It's like they're just drawn to it, you know what I mean? But because of our intelligence, we don't have to do that, though, you know what I mean? We create these stories in our minds of why things are the way they are, why people are the way they are, and it always makes sense to us, so how do you overcome your nature? How do you overcome this thing that's so ingrained in you? That compulsiveness, that impulsiveness. And I think you just have to be just extremely conscious about everything you do, man. Almost in an obsessive way. And that's why I recommend meditating. Or frankly, just doing anything that puts you in a meditative state where you're super focused and calm, and you're just, the only thing, is on your mind is the task at hand. Meditating is probably the best way to just relieve yourself of any other worries and thoughts. And it really translates really well to other areas of life, because you just take a moment of pause and think, what am I about to do? Remember that it's hard, but that's the point. If it wasn't hard, what would be the use of trying to accomplish great things?